Vulcan Custom Dental now offers mill-only bars for BioHorizons Multi-unit abutments. With mill-only bars, you will save valuable time as no physical model is needed. You will have complete control of your design to produce the ideal bar for each patient, and can order with confidence as mill-only bars carry a lifetime warranty. To order your mill-only bar, scan the stone model using proper scanning techniques. Next, design your bar using Vulcan's CAD/CAM bar library, available for download on our website. Send your scan and design files to Vulcan using the FTP site or customer portal. A Vulcan technician will use these files to produce your precision-milled CAD/CAM bar. After milling, your bar is 3D scanned to obtain multi-unit positional information. Positional data is compared between the model and bar scans to verify accuracy of the milled bar. When you receive your mill-only bar, please verify a passive fit prior to final processing. Vulcan Custom Dental, making digital dentistry easy.